So the most recent thing we've done is we built a web shop. We have a new strategy that we want to do with Orderstep is that we want to give our users the ability to have a private label web shop that they can offer to their clients. And to do this, we needed some extra hands to help make this web shop happen. And that's where I engaged with Redwerk and Konstantin to kind of make get a proposal done for doing this. And we took a few meetings, right? And then we more or less agreed on the scope and how the project should look like, and we made a budget. And within actually faster than I had expected, we had a finalized product, and it was within the agreed budget. And now we are in the phases of actually implementing. We're almost done with the web shop and can make it live. And I've been very pleasantly surprised that the quality is as good as it is. There's very few issues and very few bugs in the code. So that's a huge plus for me as well, that it's easy to just start using it and getting it out to my clients. So I'm a technical person. So from my point of view, I like to work with like-minded people. So I like to work directly with the developers because I believe that creates the best result. When I can talk directly to developers and we can agree how things should look. So one of the things that I appreciated was that we had a constant talk with the developer from Redwerk, where we discussed the things, and when there was issues, I was made aware of them, and we could make a quick decision on which way to go with the product. And also, when I got some code to look at, it was very easy for me to communicate directly back to the developer and say this and this and this and this is how it should be changed. So for me, this was one of the most kind of important things for me, that I could have direct communication with the people doing the work, and it didn't have to go through a lot of red tape and administration and Jira tickets and so on that can happen with a lot of other consultancies and developers, where everything has to be documented and bugs has to be documented and things like this. It can become a very tedious project when it's such a small task that we have to develop. I actually don't remember exactly how we met. I think it was one of these Friday bars that was in Kharkiv at the time. But we've known each other back from when I lived there in 2011. We met on several occasions. Back then, it was mostly to drink a beer or two and to do some things and to talk and have fun. And then later on, we have developed into also a business partnership. We struggle to find good people in Denmark and struggle to find good developers, especially now. It's getting more and more difficult. And being a small company, you cannot afford to have a full-time employee. So it works out well that we can kind of hire people when we need it for projects when it's needed. So that's a nice possibility we have with Konstantin. And the fact that I know him and he's a friend of mine, also know that I can trust the things he's delivering to me. Instead of going out and finding someone that I don't know, then I might not be sure if I can actually trust what they're going to deliver to me and if they are actually able to do the things that I need within the budget that we agreed. I would say there's no risks. I know that Ukrainians are very dedicated people. So no matter where they are and no matter what's happening around them, they will deliver what they promise. I've known a lot of people and my wife's brother as well, who's sitting like sometimes in a bunker underneath the building and actually working while there's bombardments happening on their city. But they're still dedicated to their job and they still want to do their job and deliver to their clients, which is a very rare and unique thing about Ukrainians, that they actually have this dedication and want to deliver the things they promise. So I would say there's no reason to worry. They will get the things done. It might not be today or tomorrow, but they will make sure that the things are delivered to you whenever they have the possibility to actually work on it. And actually, I heard a story from from a friend of mine that also works with some Ukrainians that wrote that to my friend here, said, I'm very sorry, I cannot work to the next few hours. I need to go make some Molotov cocktails, and when I'm done with that, I'll come back and then I'll finish this job. You know, so that kind of displays the kind of dedication they have to their country and protecting their country, and at the same time kind of still have this dedication towards their responsibilities and getting them done, even though there is someone attacking their country and their homes around them. So based on my experience, Redwerk works very well for small development tasks. That's what I've seen. That they're very good at handling those. I haven't used Redwerk yet for bigger projects, but looking at how it can be done with the small projects, I'm very confident that Redwerk will also work if you had a bigger project with more complicated requirements. It would be a little bit more overhead, which is natural when the project grows. But seeing the skills that I've seen, I'm pretty sure that Redwerk would be very good at delivering other big projects as well.